All right, so the first purchase of the fair. What do we have today here, my love?
A cup of Tonsors mead.
Chaucer's mead?
Tonsors? Whatever. I'll show you the bottle when I get home. That's at my house.
Oh boy, how does it taste?
It's okay. No, $7 okay, but okay.
All right. All right, Liz. What do we got now? We have
skewered chicken. It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, Anthony, you eat it.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm eating it. My love, you have just now tried the jerky. How was the jerky?
Delicious.
Delicious? Are you actually going to keep this one?
Yeah, I also got a pickle.
Pickle.
Yeah. Try it in a minute.
Okay, we'll come back. You got the pickle.
Yeah.
And how is the pickle? Tasty?
I mean, it's okay. It's like too spicy and it's too big. I don't like it.
So
Here, you can have it.
Okay, I'll have the pickle. I'll take it. All right, babe. I got you some nice vanilla ice cream.
Good boy.
Tell us how it is.
Oh, go ahead. It's okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
It's kind of hot out. Do you want to have all of it, or
Marcia can have it.
Marcy? Oh. All right, I'll give it to Marcy. Oh. What is this?
This is a beef hero.
A hero?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you like it?
I haven't tried it. Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, already off put.
Please tell me you like it.
Yeah.
Oh, God. So much food, my love.